let's just accept hii methali ya tenda wema nenda zako can save you from nightmares. Yani nakwambia ile design enye people never ever get satisfied no matter what. Yani hawatoshekangi. Sijui kama mna get. Kuna hii visit ya this Gen Z, Kaluma Boy. It was on Sunday. The turn-up was massive. There was a fantastic turn-up of TikTokers all around Kenya. And actually the last time tuliona crowd kama hiyo imepull ni ile time ya the late branch. And may he continue resting in peace. Sasa, the current up on social media is why Eric Omondi didn't show up. Nani hakuenda? He did not. Hakuenda. So there's this individual who takes it and says, and I quote, "Despite being tagged 1,000 times, he did not show up kwa kina Kaluma Boy." And then hapo chini anaandika one word for Eric Omondi. So there's this comment. This guy reacted and said, let me quote, "I am tending to think Eric Omondi husaidia when he's in control, so that no one knows the amount of money contributed ili afaidike. But when he is not in control, he doesn't care." Well, that's a comment. So surprisingly, many Kenyans had these beautiful words for Eric. I'll just read a few. Kama tano hivi. One of them, "My mom once told me they will forget 1,000 good things umefanya, but judge you with one wrong." On to the next comment. "He has showed up in places hata wewe hukuwahi show up." On to the other comment. "Have you all forgotten how many people Eric has helped?" Comment ingine ni, "Eric Omondi is coming for Kaluma to relax. See you on Sunday pale JCM Church." Another comment. "Did he tag you when he was helping? Let the guy rest." Lakini surely wa Kenya pia after hizo words zote zenye mmechapia Eric, some hours later Kenyans pull him at desert of crucifixion. Kuna hii clip imeemerge Eric akiimba worship church, but now they are saying he mimicked another singer. Ebu guys watch till the end and let me get to hear your views about all this.